You are given the following starting numbers and rules for two sequences of numbers. So the first sequence, sequence x, starting number should be 1, and then the rule is add 1. Sequence y, starting number should be 5, and then the rule should be add 5. Fill in the table with the first three terms of x and y. Then plot the ordered pairs x comma y on the graph below. So let's see, sequence x. They say the starting number should be 1. So the starting number is 1. And then the rule, to get to the next number, you just add 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Fairly straightforward. Now let's look at sequence y. They're saying the starting number should be 5. Starting number 5. And then the rule is, to get the next term, we just add 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. Now they want us to plot these things. So let's see. And we plot them as ordered pairs. So we're going to have the point 1 comma 5. So when x is 1, y is 5. We see that there. X is 1, y is 5. When x is 2, y is 10. When x is 2, y is 10. And then when x is 3, y is 15. When x is 3, y is 15. And we see that for every 1 we move to the right, for every 1 we increase in the horizontal direction, every 1 we increase in x, we increase 5 for y. We increase 1 for x, we increase 5 for y. So now we just have one last thing to answer. The terms in sequence y are blank times the terms in sequence x. So you immediately see this term, 5 is 5 times 1, 10 is 5 times 2, 15 is 5 times 3, and it makes sense. You started 5 times higher, and here you added 1 each time, and we see that visually right over here. We add 1 each time, while here we add 5 times as much each time. We add 5 each time. So the terms in sequence y are 5 times the terms in sequence x. We got it right.